The 11th order of the day is commencement of debate on the general principle of a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, to provide for additional local government area in Edo State and for related matters. This is standing in the name of Honorable Billy Osaworo. The members will recall that the bill was read the first time on Wednesday, 26 March 2025, and I invite Honorable Osaworo to move that the bill be read the second time.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. My honorable colleagues, honorably famous Adesuwa Osaworo, I represent the good people of Orionwo, the Federal Constituency of Edo State. Mr. Speaker, I move that a bill for an act to alter the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 as amended, to provide for additional local government areas in Edo State and for related matters, HB 2228, be read for the second time. I so move, Mr. Speaker.
This is a constitutional amendment motion, and I pray that I just put the question so that we can refer it to the constitutional amendment. Those in support of this motion say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. The clerk.
This life is balanced. Now you know stand well. You may not like our modus operandi. It is your choice. It is your decision to hate us. But our decisions of what we are doing is based on sincerity. It is of a good heart. It is genuine. That of honesty. It is pure. It is for love. It is for the growth and development of all of us. In the history of mankind, there are few babies that will not cry when they see they want to take a bath. I don't know why. That babies always cry once they see that they want to bath them. Whether it's cold water or hot water, they must always swim their mouth. Yeah. So we understand why some of you, the cars, the Okwani, and so many people are crying when our mission and vision, our actions and reactions, peddling and moving the agenda of Anioma State is for your own good. The reason why they bath baby now for your own good. Make you no smell, make you no get heat rashes, make him body dey cool, so that he go sleep well. The same baby will be crying. Person where here go to say they beat them or they don't like the baby. That is who you are. I go lie for you. But as a good father, as a man whose intention are pure and genuine, who will still keep doing it despite all your crying, who will drag you to the good place and make you lie in green pasture. Hey, if you notice, I'm happy, I'm smiling because you don't have sense. We will think for you. A child does not know what he's doing. That time that is crying, but the parents will always think for him or her. Do the necessary thing. Ignore his tears and move on. He will later understand. You will later understand that what we are doing is for the good of everybody. Your mama, your papa, your children unborn, your wife to marry, the one where you don't marry, your future generation. All we are doing is for their own good. It's not born out of hatred. It's not born out of propaganda or falsehood. Yes, I've repeatedly said it. If there's gonna be anything that will make the government of the day to do any good work in Delta North or even that of Igbanke or any part of Igbos in South, because of people like us, we have automatically become a pressure group to the politicians, whether you like it or not. They are offline fighting to counter what we are doing online. I go lie for you. They will come and tell us, say, you for online, making noise, causing confusion, causing problem. But your fathers, your uncles, your brothers, your kings, your elders, your politicians are offline trying to counter what we are doing online. What a pressure group we have become. I said it in my last video that the bankers that are making plan to give the bankers a local government. The evidence is here. You watch the video. Orion local government is the local government where Igbanke people are located in Edo State. Why is that the honorable seeking for additional or expansion of local government? If not because there are people of the Igbanke who said enough is enough. We are leaving Edo State to join Anioma State because we are being marginalized. If there's going to be anything that will be done in Delta North or the Igbo-speaking people of South South, now because of people like us. Because we have said that if they're not going to do it, we go on our own. We become a state of our own. Delta State Governor promised Okwa and people of new project, audio promise. But why is it so? Because there are people like us who are saying, if you cannot do this, if they're not doing this, if it's going to be like this, we want to create a state where we will be self-governed by ourselves. So you can hate us, but if you look at it critically, you will find out that we are doing the best for everyone. We are pushing a narrative. We are making sure we are putting pressure on the government to counter us. They are offline, trying to counter what we are doing online. So you see that our online is not a waste of time. Rather, it benefits all. They want to create a local government for the minority. The video I posted 2 days ago, the Edo statement was saying, Igbanke people are minority. Now they want to create a local government for the minority. Why? Because they know if it's not done, the Igbankes are leaving. And I can assure you, that is a bait. Because the creating of local government does not necessarily mean that if they still make the local government, that the marginalization will not still continue. Yes, the Igbankes will have among them who will be the Kaibos in Edo State, will have among them who will represent them as the local government chairman. But we know that the bigger marginalization will still be there, even though it's going to be minimal in this case. You see? But they don't lie to you, say, these boys are wasting time. We are doing the right thing for you. We are actually pushing the right people. We are actually pushing the government to do the right thing for you. I go lie for you. Now the question is, you ask yourself, why are they trying to create a local government for the Igbankes now? Igbanke, they said there's no marginalization. They are not evils. They are Benin people. Why are they listening to them now? Tell me the reason why they want to hold them firmly, not to leave them in Edo State. Ask yourself this question. Why are they bent in making sure they want to satisfy the egos, or they want to satisfy the Igbankes not to leave Edo State? Can't you ask yourself a simple question? Iweka, you are Kwani, you are Nuani, you are shouting, I don't want to go to Southeast, I don't want to be created, the state will remain. Ask yourself, why is the government of the day in Delta, including your own brothers that are fighting secretly against, why are they trying to make sure you don't have a state? You are not zoned to Southeast. Ask yourself the reason. Because normally, assuming the Anioma people are not Igbo, let's assume that we are not Igbo. Let's assume we are Igala, and we are told that we will have a state on our own to self-govern ourselves. Is a plus and a win situation for us. Nobody should even just go against it. No matter the political situation, no matter the religion you practice, no matter the cultural differences. Just say you want to give these people their own state, which everybody is asking for. It is a win-win situation for everybody. Normally. But why is some people don't want you to have that state? Normally. Let's assume that the question is not we are going to be called Igbo. Let's assume why is some people don't want you to leave to become a state of your own? Ask yourself a very simple question, and I know you can't get the answer. You think they are doing it because they don't want to be called Igbo? Is Ifan Yokowa not the one that said in the national TV, my name is Ifan Yokowa? So if you look at it in the last way, I'm an Igbo man, even though I'm in Delta State, I'm in South South. It's not the one that said it. Oh, he said he's an Igbo man. It's a political statement. He does not mean it. Is that what he's saying? And as such people we want to trust. people who cannot stand their ground and defend what they believe about themselves. So they are politically identity, and that is what they are using it to do. You don't know? You want me to tell you the answer why they don't want you to become a state of their own? You don't know? You want me to tell you the reason why they don't want Igbanke to leave Edo State? Because they want you to remain a minority. You don't fit think I will think it for you. They want you to remain. After all, the Benin said it. The Igbankes are minority, and we welcome them. As if Igbanke waka come after they create the state. As if they are not staying there for more than 1,000 years before the Ile Binu took over that land. Say we welcome them. Why won't you welcome them? Not be their land. They carry load, they come, una welcome them. Na refugee they be. Because some people will come and say, hey, they are migrants. Tell me that the war started from your village. If your village did not migrate, show me a village that did not migrate to where they settle today. All these people that answer a question, where did these people come from? You that know where you come from, do your village not migrate? Tell me, say your village now where the war start from. So now you be the first man and woman they created, and you started from that place. Is that what you are saying? Every man that settles today, whatever tribe you think you are, migrated from somewhere, but only people won't know where they come from. Because if they pain una, say these guys stood their ground and they don't want anybody to shift them from. They pain una, and yet they want to make some of our Igbos in the South to become minority. That is their sense. That is the priority. I see a post where somebody say, Igbos even the Southeast are not the original. They gotta find them. If you find them, this one find them. You just find them. The minorities are Igbos. We agree. We agree. But you are the minority in Nigeria today. Why the people you found are the majority? Let it make sense to us. I keep saying it. If it is truly that we are Benin and our forefathers abandoned the languages we have and follow Igbo, Igbo is a great people that you need to follow. In case you don't get sense, get sense. Please know they follow failure. If we are truly Benin origins and our forefathers abandoned the languages of the Benin and start speaking Igbo, then Igbo is a great people you should follow. That means the Benin language is a failure, because failures are not fun. Success makes so many rich, so many friends. That is the truth. They want you to become a minority, because once they can remain in Edo State, they are minority. Once you remain in Delta State, they turn you to minority. In fact, in Delta State, they don't want to accept that all of us are Igbo. They don't want to accept that all of us are Anioma people. They say it's an acronym. This is the initial capital, word they use to form the Anioma. Okay, why didn't you think of a Igala word as you are forming it in the beginning? Why don't you think of Yoruba word as you are forming it in the beginning? Why don't you think of Benin name as you are forming in the beginning? Why didn't your forefathers fight against you or sadebe them that find it and say, no, we are Igalas, oh, we are Benin, oh, you are not supposed to kill it Anioma that has a meaning in Igbo, that has a meaning in Igbo. You should turn to Igala because we are all Igala or we are Benins. You suddenly realize now that Anioma does not mean that it's Igbo. What does it mean then? Anioma does not mean Igbo, but the initial word they use, all of them see the Igbo word. Oshimiri, Anyocha. Make it make sense to me. Okwane, Eka, all of them see the Igbo word. Ozwai. Ozwai kono bu ndi benyi ndi ozwai kono bu wali uneri unu bu efulefu ndi iberibe ka ibo anye nwonu uche wato na anye mbono otubo. I will keep saying this until sink into your head to know say we are being foolish to the detriment of ourselves. They want to turn you to minority. That is why they have audacity to tell you say Anioma is not one ethnic group. They will come to us, the Rubos and some Ishokos will come to us and tell us say his Okwan is different from anyone. They divided us because they know that once you become one, you're a majority. And then when you join Anioma, when you become Anioma state, you become a majority in the Igbo bloc. If a car If Igbanke people and the cars in Edo State leave Edo State and join Anioma down to Southeast, they become the majority. But as far as they remain in Edo State, they are minority. And that is the fear they have. Because minority will have their say, majority will have their way. Majority will have their way. That is how politics is being played. Majority will have their way. Majority carries the vote. It is said everywhere in the world. But they want you to remain minority. They want to subdue you. They want to make sure you are the minority. And yet you could not see it, that some people are using it to play kalo. They are using it to play pawn, chess, checkmate. You for your king. They waka go. And then they set another board. They checkmate you. Come out of among them. Be you separate. Join to your brothers and become a bigger block where you have more say. This is what we are fighting for you. Not Isiam. And of course, they know that if the state is created, Igbanke will be a local government on their own. And there are going to be more local government splitted. That is where you are not thinking right. Some villages that have not tested democracy or government presence might be the headquarters of the new local government that will be created. And then their boys, their sons will become local government chairman, councillors, and start doing well. Secretariat and employment will be, but you are not seeing those ones. All you are seeing is that, why did they want to send it to Southeast? And the Mumu people are using you to play politics. Let's take our former governor as an example. The daughter that married a Yoruba person is the representative of the Eka people in the State House of Assembly. And the Eka people, indigenous men, are sitting down supporting him. Family affair. Our airport today is on private lease. Meanwhile, a Yoruba person, which is an in-law to Okowa, is one managing it for us. In the same data where we did so. But we are not seeing it. We are not seeing it. The politics of selfishness, Godfatherism, is eating us up. We self-hate as consumers and blind us that we could not see what is good for us. We are supporting a man who is doing everything for his own selfish reason. A man that has been in the court of war since 1991. He has been SSA, he has been a commissioner, he has been a this and that, he has been a senator before, he has ruled for governor. He doesn't want to still step down. He still wants to go back to Senate. When we have opportunity to have 3 senators, he still wants to be the only one to be the senator in the whole of the 9 local governments. But Mumu people, who their brother from Okwan could be the next senator, while having another 3 House of Representatives, is fighting against Nedwoko for creating the state. Make it make sense to me. Ozwai ndị awo binding kitala chike kaibo. They leak our bomb. Foolish people in the internet. Ozwai kanya go nwa jezoku nkitala chanyike anya nwonu uche ofumpulu chari na inisi. We cannot use our sense. They will come and lie to you. Igbo people want to dominate. Igbo people want to dominate. Igbo people want to dominate. They want to dominate. Oh yeah now. Are they not dominating? I said it time with time. Are they not dominating even without us citing it? Schools are doing well. We are in Delta State. Has any school in Delta State carry first in the WAEC and secondary school? WAEC and NECO. Has anyone? Okay, let us say that from Urobo it come from. But Anambra and Imo State School have been dosing everybody year in, year out. They just finished one badminton competition. Imo schools still carry first. Are they not dominating? Today, Abia is the only way that has steady light in the entire Nigeria. The governor is speaking which day here that he want to remove the whole entire Abia from the national grid. From the national grid. These are people who will shout, say, oh, you did that. Even people want to collect our oil. Meanwhile, they are using the small one they have effectively, using the gas to generate power for themselves. We will get them. What will they benefit? Then the next thing say they are bringing in security. IPM between this and that and that. Today, no place is more secure than Southeast. There are a lot of people, even they are kidnapping people in Abuja, in Kubwa. In Kubwa last month, they kidnapped people in Kubwa, Abuja. I go lie for you. So where is safe? Are they not kidnapping people in Delta North? Unsteadily. But you only what you see is accuse other people because the politics of the day, the government of the day have made you think that Igbos are your problem. People are going about their business, seeking for a way to finally develop well. You could not see. You could not see. Hatred, self-hate has blinded your eyes. I'm out of here, John.